Welcome to episode 11 of our Roofing Components playlist, where we do a deep dive into all the major components of your roof system. Today we're going to be talking about chimneys and everything that they have to do with your roof system. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company. Thanks for watching the Roofing Channel. Let's get started. What are the types of chimneys? There's really just two different types of chimneys. One is a full masonry chimney, where it is a solid brick or stone chimney. The other one is a chimney chase that has a pipe or a ceramic type flue that goes through it and comes out the top of it through the top of the chase. The surface of the outside of your chimney could vary from brick to stone or siding. How is a chimney protected? All chimneys, regardless of where they sit on your roof, have to have flashing. Now, if it's a siding chimney, the flashing tucks in behind the siding and you shouldn't even know that it's there. A brick chimney or a stone chimney is going to have step flashing and counter flashing tucked into the mortar to cover the top of the step flashing to make sure any water running down the surface does not get in behind the step flashing and penetrate through the roof decking into your attic. All chimneys wider than 30 inches are required by codes to have a cricket behind them. A cricket is two triangles that create a saddle effect that divert the water out and around the edges of the chimney. What if you have a problem with your chimney? If there's a leak around your chimney and it has to do with the flashing, then most definitely you want a roofer out there that knows what they're doing to take care of that flashing issue. There are other common issues that we see with different types of chimneys. Brick chimneys, they've been known for the mortar joints to let water seep in, and we have to seal those with a masonry water repellent. Stone chimneys, about the only way to truly keep those from leaking is to have a cap on the top of them that is 3 inches larger all the way around than the chimney itself. So any rain that rains on top of it hits this cap and runs down and misses the chimney by 3 inches and not saturating the rocks and the mortar. If you're experiencing a leak around your chimney, the first step would be to water test it to see if it's actually the flashing. A flashing issue more than likely is going to leak every single time it rains. Where if it's one of the other issues, like a moisture seeping in through the bricks or something seeping in through a stone chimney, then you might need to call a stone mason. You may even need to call a chimney sweep to help you with that chimney cap being larger than the actual chimney itself. Most roofers don't have the license or the insurance to do masonry work or the chimney sweep related work. It's better to call a professional on each of those trades if that's the type of work that needs to be done on your chimney. What costs are related to a chimney? Chimney flashing was covered in one of our previous videos. To watch that video, click here. If you have a full masonry chimney and need a cap on it, we always make them out of copper, and they usually start at $2,000 for our basic model. If your chimney is one of those styles that is actually a chimney chase with a pipe running through it, and you need a new top on it, then you're going to have to hire a chimney sweep or someone that is licensed and insured to remove the spark arrestor and change out the chase top and then assemble everything back together. It's really, really important to make sure that whoever takes that apart is licensed and insured to put it all back together properly, just in case of a fire. The only other expenses that are related to a chimney is if the bricks would need to be sealed or if you need to seal the stones and the mortar joints on a stone chimney. If that service is needed, make sure and get a quote before that service is performed on your chimney, and also make sure that you get a minimum of a 5-year warranty. Now you know everything that you need to know about chimneys. To continue your roofing education, click on the link below or at the end of this video and watch episode 12 of our Roofing Components playlist about optional components. I'm Bill Ragan, Bill Ragan Roofing Company. Thanks again for watching the Roofing Channel. Remember to like and subscribe so other homeowners like you can get the education they need to make that informed purchasing decision. See you on the next one.